All right. For this question, I'm going to apply the remainder concept. Remainder concept. Why am I applying the remainder concept? Because of the keyword remaining. Can you see the word remaining there? So whenever you have the word remaining, this is a clue for you that you are going to use the remainder concept. And the usual remainder concept that you can use is via the model method. Okay, remainder concept, there are two ways. One is via the model, one is via the unitary. So I'm going to teach you the remainder concept in this question via the model method. Okay, so Mr. Dr. Malcolm had some syringes in his lab. He used 25% of the syringes in the morning. So this one is the morning, and another 45 syringes in the afternoon. So this 45 is in the afternoon. He used the remaining 1/3 of the syringes. The keyword here is of the syringes. Means this is of the total syringes, okay, at night. How many syringes did Dr. Malcolm have at first? Which means I want to know my total. Now, in this question, you have percentage and fraction. So you cannot work with them without changing one into another. So you need to change your percentage into fraction first. So 25% is known as 25 over 100. Yeah, then you reduce or simplify it and it will become 1/4. Okay, so you all know that 1/4 is a fraction in its simplest form. And when it is a fraction in its simplest form, it is already in its units form. So you put the units and the units there. Okay, so which means the total right now is 4 units. This is my total. And my 1 unit is what I use in the morning. Right? And then I have this 1/3, right? This 1/3, I might want to pluck it out, 1/3, so it become bigger for me to write. So this is units, this is unit. I know that this is my total too. And this 1 unit is what I use at night. Okay, this is what I use at night. If you look at these two fractions, you look at the total, one glance, you know that the total is not the same. You are talking about same number of syringes, the sum syringes that I have. I'm talking about this syringes that I have. The first fraction says 4 units. The second fraction says 3 units for the total. It is not the same. So you have to make it the same first. Make it equal, okay? So you have to times 3 here. This one times 4. So if the denominator you times a number, the numerator will do the same. Okay, here times 4, here times 3. So now this becomes 3/12 units, unit. This is what I use in the morning. This is my total. Okay, same goes here. This is 4 unit. This is 12 unit. This is what I use at night. And this is my total. For some of you, you can just do this already without drawing the model because you can see, you can tell where is the actually the afternoon units. You can see from here. But for most of you, if you cannot see, no problem. Just draw out the model. So I know that my model will be of 12 parts. Okay. So I cut it up, cut up, cut, cut everything up into 12 equal parts. So once I have 12 units, what I do? The shading lah. So I know the morning is 3 units. 1, 2, 3. This is my morning, which is 3 units. Then I know at night. I know at night is 4 units, right? My night is 4 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is at night. Which means the balance, the unshaded portion, will be in the afternoon. So afternoon is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. Okay, so that 5 unit represents the 45 syringes. Okay, so this is 45 syringes. So how many syringes did Dr. Malcolm have at first? I want to know everything, the total. The total is 12 units. Okay, so 5 unit is 45. 1 unit is 45 divided by 5 equals to 9. The 12 unit is 12 times 9 equals to 108. And that is the answer. Okay.